Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Vegas Pro 9 for free. First you want to open the link in the sidebar, and you should get this. You'll want to click here to download. It's about 157 megabytes, so just be patient while it's downloading. It includes everything you need to activate it and install it, so just wait for this. I'm going to skip through it so we don't have to wait for it. And once you have it, you want to extract here, or whatever way you use to extract things. And it should only take about 30 seconds, so just wait. Alright, well now it's extracted, you want to grab your folder and you want to open it. And you should get these two things. You want to double click install. Now remember, you cannot have Vegas already installed, so right now you want to uninstall it from add or remove programs. Alright, once this is done extracting, it should continue. So in a few seconds, this should pop up. It's going to ask for a language, and you just click your language and click OK. And you should get this. You want to click next, I agree, next, next, and you want to install a shortcut to make things easier, and install. The install only takes about 5 to 6 minutes, so just be patient. I'm going to skip through it though, so we don't have to wait 6 minutes. Alright, now that it's done, you want to click Finish and go back to the folder you extracted. You should find another folder named Activation. You want to open that, and you should get these three things. Read this picture. It'll help. It's like basically a step-by-step instructions on how to register it successfully. So it also has a bunch of errors, so refer to this before you ask questions in the comments. And like for example, one of the errors, if it says file name Twain_32.dll is missing or corrupt, the activation folder includes that file, so you want to copy that to your hard drive under Windows folder. And now you want to open the keygen folder and double click keygen. Once it's open, under the product name, you want to select Vegas Pro 9.0 32 and 64-bit series. Click that and click Generate. This will be your serial number and your activation code. Now you want to go back to your desktop and click Patch. And you should get this. You want to navigate to the folder that Vegas installed in. It's usually under your hard drive, Program Files, Sony, and then Vegas Pro 9. So once you found the Vegas Pro 9 folder, you want to highlight it and click OK, and then just let the keygen patch it. Alright, now that it's done patching successfully, you want to right-click your Vegas Pro icon and run as administrator if you're in Vista or Windows 7. And just click Next. And now it's going to ask you for a product key. You want to take your product key from the keygen or serial number and paste it into your Sony registration form. You want to click Next, register from a different computer, Next, Next, and fill in your info. It doesn't have to be correct. I'm just using random things. So after that, just click Next. It'll ask you to save this file. You just have to save it, and then you can delete it later. Then click Next, and it'll ask you for the activation code. Without clicking Generate, copy your activation code from the keygen and paste it into there. These codes will not work inside the Sony Vegas thing unless you patch it, so you want to patch it. Now what I like to do is make a new text file and name it something like Sony Vegas key. And you're basically going to paste your serial number and your activation code into here. So if Vegas ever asks you for it, you will always know what serial number and activation code you used when you registered. And just save that. You can back it up somewhere else, whatever you want to do. You don't have to do this. Now you can exit your keygen now that you have your keys saved, and Vegas should open. It takes a while on its first run, but just be patient. And as you can see, will have your name that you used and the key you used under the license too. And Vegas should be fully registered to you and has all the transitions, plugins, everything it would be if you had the full version, if you paid for it. So just erase these two things that you extracted and downloaded. And if you have any questions, just comment or refer to that image. And thank you for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.